That was...
Ladies and gentlemen, the Marching Mules present a performance of their show highlighting the music of legendary jazz and rock trumpet player and band leader, Bill Chase. Chase played with jazz greats such as Maynard Ferguson, Stan Kenton, and Woody Herman before forming his own group in the 1970s. Junior drum major Mona Sturgis, an early childhood education major from Sedalia, Missouri, leads the Marching Mules, and trumpet soloist Michael Cervantes, a senior music major from Winnetaka High School, and Darren Hill, a senior exercise science major from Fort Osage High School, as we begin with a selection for their 1971 debut album. Here's Open Up Wide.
That trick is a new move, so you've never done that before.